Firebird. Hey, what's that noise? Oh my goodness. What? Where did you get a car? And who are those people?
These are my friends. If I can get my roof open. Here we go.
Oh. Well, where'd you get that car? Ooh.
This is Icy Bird.
Cool.
And here's the baby. My wife died.
Oh, that's so sad. Wait, you were married? How old are you?
Well, I'm 30.
Okay. Well, I'm 29. Actually, I'm not. I'm 25. I wish I was 29. I could drive, but my mom won't. My mom doesn't trust me to get a car.
And yeah, the baby's name is Fireboy.
Oh, that's really cool.
Close to my name. It's just we don't want.
You could call him Fireboy Jr. Firebird.
Fireboy Jr. Okay.
Or whatever you want. But I'm good at making nicknames. Love ya.
Yeah, I'm doing Fireboy Jr.
Nice to meet you guys. Your car is really awesome.
Oh yeah.
Where'd you get it?
Well, my mom bought it for me.
As a present?
Yeah, when I was like 20. When I was like, oh, let me think. When I was like
You can't remember.
26, I got this.
Ooh, 1 year older than me. Cool. I'm never getting a car. My mom will never trust me until I get enough money to buy my own, and that's really sad.
Well, you could borrow mine.
Oh, yeah.
See how it is.
Oh, cool. Nah, I might get hit by something.
Do you even know how to drive?
Yes, but I just don't trust myself, and my mom doesn't trust me. Really, really freaky, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Maybe I could give it a try, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thanks. Woo! I love this car. That's really cool.
Yeah, it's not that honorable.
It's really cool, but I'm not trusting myself. I'll get out. It's your car anyway. I shouldn't take advantage of it. It's really heavy.
No, it isn't. It only weighs like 2 pounds.
Well, it's heavy to me.
Even the baby could push it.
I know. My arms are really hurting and sore because I've been picking up my baby brother. And he weighs at least 20 pounds. So my arms are really weak.
Can you hold our baby?
Yeah.
He weighs 1 pound. Actually, he weighs about 26.
Cool. He's really cool and cute.
Well, he looks like me.
Yep, he does.
Just smaller. Actually, he's exactly like me.
You can really see the resemblance.
So that's why we're twins.
You're twins, but he's your son.
Yeah, I know. I know it's just weird.
Oh, no. It's not that weird. I mean, my baby brother looks like my father.
What does your father look like?
Well, yeah, he's a brown monkey, but he's on vacation.
Actually, the brown monkey almost killed me. He chucked me off his roof into a pit of hot
It could have been
lava.
my dad on drugs or someone else. But
Lava.
hey, did you know that Turtle went on vacation? Oh, and here's another thing. He didn't actually like us.
Oh yeah, I know that.
I could see it in his eyes. You know, he's lying about saying, "Oh, I like you guys." He always does that to people.
Pretend Iceberg got so mad at somebody. Calm down, Iceberg. You're gonna melt yourself.
What was that?
Iceberg his eyes so he can melt himself if he gets too angry.
Iceberg, don't melt.
I can't. I'm indestructible.
Well, then why did Firebird just say don't melt?
Well, because I can only melt when I'm angry.
Well, you're gonna melt because you're getting so angry.
No, I'm kidding. Yeah, so was I. He's never melting.
Oh, that's really cool then.
Yeah,
be right back, okay?